Some people make a big deal out of their birthday parties, photos, surprises, attention. And then there are others. People who wake up, go through their day, and treat their birthday like it's nothing special at all. No celebration, no excitement, sometimes not even a thought. And while the world might see this as cold, ungrateful, or emotionless, psychology says something completely different, something far deeper. Because the way someone treats their birthday isn't about ignoring joy. It's often about how their mind processes meaning, expectations, and emotions. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the real psychology behind people who treat their birthday like a normal day. And if you've ever felt disconnected from the whole birthday hype, you might finally understand yourself on a level you never have before. Let's begin. 1. They don't like forced attention. For some people, birthdays feel overwhelming because the attention doesn't feel natural. Everyone suddenly wants to talk, message, call, celebrate, but it's not how these individuals normally experience relationships. They prefer genuine, everyday connection, not a burst of attention because the calendar says so. To them, forced celebration feels uncomfortable, so keeping the day normal feels more honest and real. 2. They value routine more than celebration. Some people feel grounded when life is predictable. Routine gives them stability. Structure gives them peace. A birthday, on the other hand, interrupts their flow. It adds pressure, expectations, and emotional weight. So instead of changing their whole day for one event, they simply continue living the way they normally do, calmly, quietly, peacefully. 3. They don't want to measure themselves by age. Birthdays remind people of time passing, and not everyone likes that. Those who treat their birthday normally often have a different perspective. They don't tie their worth to achievements at a certain age. They don't compare themselves to others. They don't see aging as a countdown. To them, age is just a number. Life is happening right now, not in milestones. Their birthday doesn't define their identity. Their choices do. 4. They keep their emotions private. Some people feel deeply, they just don't show it publicly. Psychology calls them internal processes. They feel happiness, gratitude, reflection, but from the inside. So while others celebrate outwardly, these individuals celebrate quietly in their own mind. Their peace comes from privacy, not performance. A normal day doesn't mean they don't care. It means they care differently. 5. They dislike social pressure and expectations. A birthday often comes with expectations, responsibilities, pressure to be happy, pressure to socialize, pressure to entertain others. But some personalities don't enjoy this emotional weight. To them, the best birthday is one without pressure, one that feels calm, peaceful, and authentic. So they treat it like a regular day, because that's where they feel most themselves. 6. They focus more on life than dates. Here's the point almost everyone misunderstands, and psychology finds this incredibly interesting. People who treat their birthday like a normal day often experience meaning every single day, not just once a year. They reflect daily. They grow daily. They appreciate life in small, consistent ways, not just on special dates. To them, life isn't about moments you're supposed to celebrate. It's about the moments that genuinely matter. So if you're someone who treats your birthday like any other day, or you know someone who does, remember this. It doesn't mean they're emotionless. It doesn't mean they're ungrateful. And it definitely doesn't mean they don't care. It simply means their heart works differently. Their mind sees meaning in everyday life, not just in celebrations. If you want more videos that explore human psychology, personality, and emotional depth, you're welcome to subscribe to Aurexilo. No pressure. Just join if you want to understand yourself a little more every day.